In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a crankshaft position sensor on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located behind the passenger front wheel. Let's get started. We're going to safely raise and support our vehicle and remove our hubcap. Put your hand under and pry it off. We're going to locate 5 19mm lug nuts holding the wheel down. Remove these as well. Remove your wheel. With our wheel removed, right behind the fender liner, we're going to locate our crankshaft position sensor and its wire harness. We're going to remove our connector first. I'm using an angled pick to disengage the tab. Slide the harness out and inspect for any corrosion or damage and set it aside. Before we move on to removing our crankshaft position sensor, take note which tooth it is aligned on. Alignment of this sensor is crucial to vehicle performance, and also take note of where the bolts are positioned since this is adjustable. I like to take a picture before disassembling anything for alignment purposes, so just keep that in mind. So as you can see, our sensor is aligned with the second tooth down on the crankshaft pulley. We're going to proceed by removing the 2 bolts using an 8mm and a swivel extension. Set the bolts aside and pull the sensor out. And there it is. Now let's install our crankshaft position sensor. Again, align the tooth on the crankshaft pulley and hand thread on your bolts. While you snug down the bolt, hold the new sensor in the position that the old sensor was in. As you can see, it's adjustable, so this step is very important. And that looks good. Now we're going to move on to torquing these down. Now we're going to torque these both down to 62 inch-pounds. Now we're also going to reinstall our electrical connector. Just slide it over in place and push down. Make sure it's secure. Let's install our wheel. Slide it over the studs. Ensure the wheel sits flush, and hand thread on your fasteners. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. With the vehicle lowered, we're going to torque these down to 100 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. We're now going to reinstall our hubcap, line up the cutout on the hubcap with the valve stem on the tire. Once they are aligned, push down on all sides. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, clear any codes you may have had and take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.